Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is the day that we start on the wrecked CFMOTO ZForce. Now, when I say wrecked, I don't mean it was wrecked really bad, but it was wrecked. It needs an alignment. The front wheels are way out of whack, and it needs rear brakes. So today we're going to do the rear brakes. If you're interested in how to do the alignment, I already have a video on that. I don't want to go and make more than one video. So check out that video, just CFMOTO alignment. You'll find it on my channel. So stay tuned and we're going to get this thing going. Let's check out these brakes real quick. So guys, you're going to want to get a 10 millimeter. Or I'm sorry, 12 millimeter. Try and break these loose, but I bet they're seized. Oh, maybe not. Put in my mouth. Now keep in mind, this is on a 2017 version. This is going to be similar to the other models, but not quite, because the newer models, the brake caliper is over here and the e-brake is part of the caliper. This one, the e-brake is part of the prop shaft, drive shaft. So it's going to be a little different than your other models, but overall, pretty much the same process here. So guys, what I do to get this piston inward is I just prop it against the rotor, put the screwdriver on the piston. That'll get the piston all the way in. Now you're going to want to take out these metal slides. They might be a little tough, but you got to get them out. Now that you have both of them out, you're going to want to take them and clean them up. Let's go do that. I have a bench grinder, which is what I like, and you'll see why in a minute, but you can get some sandpaper and do it, which is going to hurt your fingers. So once you got them all cleaned up, we're going to come over here and grease them up. Only takes a little bit of grease. And then we're going to smear that around. So get your caliper, put your pins back in there. Just like so. That's all you got to do. Now, you're going to want to get your CFMOTO OEM pads. I personally don't recommend any other pad besides OEM pads. There is a few other manufacturers out there that are far cheaper, but you get what you pay for. Now, these pads, Main Street Cycle was kind enough to sponsor these pads for today's video. So I want to say thank you to them, and I want to tell you guys, listen, if you need anything at all CFMOTO related, definitely give Main Street Cycle a call. Let them know that Redneck Garage sent you, and they'll hook you up really good. They have everything between tires and rim packages, sound bars. They're actually sending me a sound bar for this unit here as well. So stay tuned for that to be there as well. But we're going to go through this whole machine. This is going to be a series of videos for this machine. It probably won't be done until after winter because there's so much that we're going to do. But right now, we're trying to get it on the road and on the trail. Now, part number for your brakes for your 2017 model. Not 2018, not 19. I don't know if these will fit other models. That's easy to cross-reference though. But your part number is 7000-0801 Apple 0. And they just go on like this. Now guys, keep in mind there's a flat part and a curved part. The curved part will go with the curved part of the rotor. Now we can put our 12 millimeter bolts back in. Everything works as it should, guys. Let's get the tire back on there. Okay guys, so we got them brakes done. Now we're gonna move along and do the alignment, and then we're gonna test drive it. Maybe a test drive in this video, I don't know. We can't go far because Dum Dum over there forgot his license plate. So if we do, it'll just be up the hill here and back down. But I want to thank you guys for watching, and I want to give a special shout out to Main Street Cycle for sponsoring today's video and sending us out those brake pads at no cost to us. They definitely help us YouTubers out a lot, and it is very much so appreciated. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you're going to like this build because we got a ton of stuff to do to it. Peace out and God bless. I have off-road policy with street use, liability and stuff. Why? Yeah, different insurance companies will do that.